On today's video, we have this smart projector with Google TV built right into it. This thing is a portable home theater and a backyard movie projector all in one. Use this indoors or outdoors with 2000 ANSI, 1080p outdoor projector with 4K support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, voice control, autofocus, and keystone all in one. You can use HDMI or just power this on and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Has a durable design with reliable support. It plugs right in and it looks good. Enjoy the massive screen in small spaces. It projects up to 300 inches with a short throw design and adjustable stand for wall or ceiling viewing. Has intelligent voice control with Google Assistant right on the remote, and you can click on Netflix or YouTube with built-in Google TV and unlimited streaming as well. Once again, you can access up to 10,000 plus apps and 800 channels directly from the projector, including Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Prime Video, and Hulu. No streaming stick required. And if that wasn't enough, this thing also delivers two powerful 15-watt speakers that deliver immersive theater sound, while the upgraded dual fan cooling system maintains performance and extends the projector's lifespan. You can also easily connect this to phones, laptops, gaming consoles, and streaming devices using the HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, or wireless casting. Here I have it connected to my PS5, and I can project this directly to my wall and play any game that I would like. Fantastic. I also have this projected outside to my garage as well. This thing delivers cinema grade LCD optical engine with HDR10, so it produces vibrant colors and sharp detail with bright images, even in those well lit rooms. And that was the smart projector with Google TV. You're going to want to pick yours up now.